Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This 2 ingredients drink hits 3 powerful compounds your body actually runs on. Best plant stack, namely Yerba mate plus cocoa. Mate gives you chlorogenic acids, helps burn fat. It also has saponins, supports metabolism, and cocoa loaded with Theobromine, clean energy, no crash. 1 tablespoon mate added to 1 tablespoon cocoa. That's all. This combo equals steady energy, better focus, and less hunger. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Most people use caffeine wrong. This is how you actually upgrade it. Follow for more science-based performance drinks. Thanks for listening and watching this video.